Wood has natural beauty, but inside wood, natural tannins can ruin the paint. So, professionals start with the right system for wood. Painting wood the right way is easier than you think. Let us show you how. So for today's Sinclair Pro Tips, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ma-achieve ang pang-professional wood finish kahit na beginner ka pa lang. Kung napapansin nyo, minsan kahit maganda ang kahoy, nasisira pa rin ang pintura. Nagkakaroon ng stains, naninilaw, or hindi kumakapit ang paint. Karamihan sa mga wood primer ay mga alkyd paints at solvent-based paints. But with Sinclair, we have a water-based wood primer, which is low VOC and it serves as two functions, primer and sealer. Unlike ordinary paint na direkta lang na ina-apply, itong system na to may primer and top coat. Kaya mas kumakapit, mas makinis, at mas tumatagal yung finish. It has better adhesion, has tannin blocking, and is more durable. First, basic preparation lang, linisin natin yung kahoy. Tanggalin ang mga alikabok, dumi, at kung may lumang pintura, dapat i-scrape ito. So now, gagamit tayo ng wood grinder upang maging even ang surface at mas kumapit ang pintura. Kung wala namang grinder, gumamit ng sandpaper with 240 grit level. Second, dito na natin i-apply ang Sinclair Ligno. I-apply natin siya evenly gamit ang brush or roller. Mag-apply tayo ng 1 to 2 coats para masil talaga yung wood. Another interesting thing about Ligno is that this is a tannin blocker. So meaning, yung mga kahoy kasi ay may mga natural stains sa loob na pwedeng umangat sa pintura. And Ligno will block those stains. Si Cascara naman, ito yung nagbibigay ng high gloss finish. It has low odor at mas resistant siya sa paninilaw compared sa traditional alkyd enamels. Also, mas mabilis siyang matuyo. Now, gagamit tayo ng spray gun para mapalabas ang true glossy finish ng ating Cascara top coat. Kung wala nito, maaring gumamit ng brush or roller. Kita nyo naman ang linis, ang kinis, at ang glossy ng finish. From raw woods to professional finish. Perfect to sa mga furniture, doors, wooden cabinets, and more. If you want a wood finish na pang-pro talaga, i-primer muna with Sinclair Ligno, then finish it with Sinclair Cascara Ultra Gloss. So that's it for today. See you on our next Sinclair Pro Tips.